Hello everybody, this is Shad Al-Qasas, the Director of Innovation at Al-Ittihad National Private School, Al Ain. And today we're going to explore some of the interesting projects that you can do by using the Microbit board. So let's explore the Microbit board. So let's see it in here. This is the Microbit board. It is provided by the BBC. The BBC actually had a program related to the programming, or to teach programming to the young kids. So this is the Microbit board, and this is the front part that has a lot of interesting parts that you can use in your projects. So let's explore the parts of this wonderful board. And as you can see, this is the front part. It's only 5 centimeter long, and it has a lot of digital and analog input and outputs, and those small dots in here are about 25 individual programmable LEDs. Also, it has a power port, and this is the other side, and the other side is really rich. It has a lot of ports and sensors that you can use in your projects. So it has Bluetooth smart antenna, where you can connect your board to your phone or iPad or computer. Also, it has a battery connector, so you can power it using the battery or using the micro USB connector. So you have two ways of powering this wonderful board. Also, you have more than 20 pen edge connectors, and for the sensors, you have an accelerometer and a compass that you can use to identify and measure the motion and the orientation of the motion. Let's say that you can put this board on a robot or any kind of device, so you can measure the motion, or the accelerometer can be used to identify the motion, so it can be considered as a motion sensor. Also, it has a temperature sensor where you can measure the temperature. You can download the program from the App Store, so you can go directly to the App Store, and you can download the program, which is Microbit. You can download, this is the one, so Microbit, and you can download it. Once you download it, you can open it, and before doing anything, you can actually connect your board. Of course, you have a virtual board in here, so you can do your projects without even having a physical board. But if you have the physical board, you need to connect it first via the Bluetooth. So first of all, you need to switch on your Bluetooth connection, and then you need to go to the your board. And as you can see, your board has an A and B buttons, and there is a reset button at the end. So you need to press both buttons, the A and B and the reset button, in order to connect your device. So let's do that. Let's try to connect the board by doing the main connection, or the connectivity in here. So let's do that. I'm going to home, and let's try to connect it. So you need to choose your Microbit first of all, and then you click in here. This is the one that I already connected, so let's delete it, and then I'm going to connect it again. I'm going to add one, so press. This is how you're going to connect it. So you press the A and B and the reset button at the end. So let me show you how you're going to do that. So as you can see, those are the A and B buttons, and this is the reset button. So I'm going to do that, and at the same time I'm going to press the back button. Of course, I can't do that with one hand, so my daughter is going to help me in that. She's going to hold the mobile in here, and I'm going to press this and that button at the same time. So I'm going to do that and press the back button, and as you can see, you will see that this is the Bluetooth actually. So now this is connected to my device. So if I went back to the program, I will see that I have connected my Bluetooth. I need to copy the LED columns that I can see in here in order to make sure that I am connected. So the same pattern, I will copy it in here, which means that I need to do that, and those two, and this one as well. Now I copied the same pattern that I can see in here. This is the same pattern, and once I do that, I can connect to my device. I will press A, and once I do that, I will be connected directly to my Microbit board. So it is searching for the board itself now. Now pairing is successful. I am paired to my device. And as you can see, this is my board connected to the program. Once I go to home, I can now create any code I want. So this is the interface of the program. It has a lot of interesting stuff. It has a lot of projects that you can do. Let's begin with a very simple project, which is reading the temperature. So I just need to click new project, and I will call it temperature, let's say 2, because I was doing previous one, so I will call it temperature 2. Now this is the interface of the program, and as you can see, it's an easy one that you can use. You can use your virtual board, or you can use the physical one that you have in here. So in order to start measuring the temperature, you need to go to the input, because you need an input, and this input is from a sensor, which means that I need a temperature in here. And this temperature is going to be read by, first of all, I need to show a number, and this number is a temperature. So this number here is a temperature, and this temperature is going to be shown when I click one of the buttons. I can choose A, B, or A, B. So I will choose that. When I click on A, I need it to show a number, and this number is a temperature. So let's do that again together with the logic. So the logic would start with, when I press one of the buttons, I need a number to be shown. So the number should be shown. The number is a temperature. So I will click in here. I will go to the temperature, which is in here. So now when I click on A, button A, the temperature is going to be shown. So let's try this now. If I tried it in here directly, when I press A, it will show me the temperature on the virtual board. Of course, I need to do that on my physical board, and before doing that, I need to download using this button in here. So I will download the program, and it is going to be connecting again to my physical board that I have. And once it is successfully downloaded, I will go to my physical board, and my daughter is going to press on A now. Press on A, which is this one. Press. Now the temperature is going to appear on the board. This is a very simple project that you can do using your Microbit board. Inshallah, in the future, we're going to explore more, and we're going also to connect it to some of the interesting pieces of the SAM lab pieces, or the SAM lab technology. technology in SamLab is actually a wonderful tool that you can use as an application of the IoT or the Internet of Things. Thank you very much for listening. If you have any question, please post it to this comment. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your colleagues. This was Shad Al-Qassas, the Director of Innovation at Al-Ittihad National Private School, Al Ain. Thank you.